Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we wanna make very easy and delicious shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce. And here we are, the ingredients that we already prepared. First we put in a pinch of salt just to make a taste. We mix them well. I have 2 stalks of green onion cut into a small tiny pieces. Next, I have 5 garlics, chop them well. Okay, now we are going to make the sauce. Add the water into the bowl, put in the soy sauce and drizzle of sesame oil, minced garlic, green onion, and add cornstarch. Mix them well and put aside. Next, we cut broccoli into florets. And we're gonna boil the broccoli in just 2 minutes, just to keep the broccoli green color. Afterward, we drain them. Next, heat the pan with medium heat. And we put a 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Spread the oil. And put in the shrimp. Cook 1 minute each side. Flip over when the shrimp changes to pink color. Next, we put in the broccoli. Stir it well for a minute. Then we put the sauce. And again, we stir well. Stir just in 2 minutes, just to keep the beautiful color of broccoli and shrimp. Alright, shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce already done. And then we transfer to a serving dish. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.